How to file DoorDash taxes Canada. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can file DoorDash taxes in Canada. Now, in Canada, DoorDash does not provide you any documents related to your tax, so you have to file your taxes on your own. That means you have to keep a record of all of the necessary documents. Now, filing taxes as a self-employed individual can be complicated, especially when you need to account for various expenses. That is why you want to consider a tax preparation software like TurboTax or UFile. Now, you can choose whichever tax preparation software you want. By keeping detailed records and staying organized, you can ensure that your DoorDash earnings are properly reported and that you claim all eligible expenses to reduce your tax liability. Now, when you choose any tax preparation software such as UFile or TurboTax, then there are a couple of things that you have to keep in mind. The first thing is to determine your tax status. The second thing is that you want to track your income and expenses. Be sure to keep receipts and detailed record of all income and expenses. You also want to fill out the right forms in the application. If you fill out the correct forms and the correct information, tax preparation software such as UFile or TurboTax will do the rest. You also want to report your income. And in this way, with the help of a tax preparation software, you can file DoorDash taxes in Canada. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.